Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a really different video and I hope a very interesting one. It's not a fashion video, it's not a beauty video, it's not even a haul video. And it is not something I generally do, but I just thought I could create a series of such videos wherein I'll create my experiences of places where I stay or things that I do. So this is sort of an experience video. And I've been staying in 5-star hotel rooms now and then for some work or the other. So I thought why not make a video wherein I show you all things that I absolutely love about 5-star hotel rooms. I mean, they're so good and so well thought of. A video should be made of it. So I am staying at this 5-star hotel in Delhi and I'm going to show you all what I like about the room and everything. And I'm running a little late, so I didn't have time to call the room service and then get the room all settled and then show it to you all. So I'm going to show it to you as it is, but I hope you guys like it. And right now I'm sitting in the my most favorite part from the hotel room. It's the bathroom, and right now I'm sitting inside the bathtub and shooting my introduction video because I think the lightings in the bathrooms here are just perfect. Perfect with the accent. Yeah, that perfect. Let's get started with the video. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you haven't done that already. So this is the cupboard. Obviously you can see. There's an iron over here and 2 robes. Then this is my luggage. The bathroom, this is me. So this is my most favorite part from the room. As I told you, the bathtub. It is just the right size. Not too huge, not too small. Then there's a very pretty bathrobe over here. It has this logo of the hotel. And the next thing that I really love is this shower. It's rain shower. I am sure many of you all have seen this before. I haven't. So this is a rain shower. It has 3 modes. 1 mode is like a normal barish, 2 is like zordar barish, and 3rd is I think thoda, I don't know, normal barish. I don't know what is it. And so you adjust the type of rain you want from here, then on and off over here, and the temperature over here, or vice versa, I don't know. Hand shower, and yeah. Oh, hello guys. Another thing that I really like is this lovely mirror. That just zooms in and shows you the reality. It's not very clean right now, all thanks to me, that I will get it clean. There are towels over here and the area. Next there is 1 more cupboard over here. So we started off from here. I kept my luggage here, the bathroom behind, and another cupboard over here. This one has the tijori and some of my stuff, camera bag, whatever, shoe bag and all of that. Some more space to keep my things. Time for the room. Yay! So as soon as you enter, on the left there is this chai coffee section, TV, this is laundry. You can buy these super expensive things because you know how it is in hotel rooms. All this is at an even expensive price. the normal sitting area, the food that I ordered yesterday night, and this gorgeous bed. Also, somehow I just feel like I always feel like keeping this open unless I'm going for a shower, but I like how you can see the open bathroom. Like, I don't know, it's so cute. Hello, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite part from the room tour. It's the bathroom or the bed or whatever it is. I think my favorite part, everybody knows, is the bathroom. And there's something more that I would like to share. This is something I have experienced again and learned over time, that you should make the most of your situation or condition. Like, just do something about it. Do your little bit that you can, because that is all you can do, and not giving up and doing at least something is better than doing nothing. You never know, maybe you will thank yourself someday for doing the little bit that you did. So yeah, enough of Gyan. I'll end this video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you liked it. Until next time, bye bye, and thank you for watching.